dear Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of March 2021. Let's begin. I'm going to directly read it from the book of Nostradamus and see what the cards have to say about you. Okay, this is a card for the first week, for the second week, for the third week, and for the fourth week. Okay. One more time. Sagittarius for March. Okay. Hermit. There are some major arcana cards in your reading. So I'll show you what cards you got for the first week, Sagittarius. You have got Six of Spheres and the Magician. Right, let's see what Nostradamus has to say about it. Let me just adjust it a little. Yeah. Six of Spheres, I will tell you that this is a card of charity, that you are, thinking of people who are less fortunate than you are. And I will still clarify with Nostradamus how it relates to you. Yeah, the Magician, as we all know, is a powerful figure who happens to kind of change things to his own personal beliefs and needs. So this says that the Magician causes things to happen, right? You guys, like Sagittarius, hold your own destiny in your own hands, right? Nobody can change it for yourself but you. That could be from your hard work, that could be from some kind of investment that you need to do, that could be maybe, I don't think so, but I would still say that this card says that there's going to be charity, that you're thinking of less people who are less fortunate than you. Maybe you think that doing good deeds can change your life, and if that is possible, then why not? So maybe you're doing that. Let me see what Six of Spheres says for you. Yeah, so it also says there is current prosperity, there is the presence, there is sudden events, there are gifts. So maybe the universe presented you with a lot of opportunities, and instead of just sitting back and thinking about it or taking second guesses, you thought that you should go ahead with it, and voila, I think it worked out. That is what the feeling that I'm getting, that the Magician make things happen. Instead of just sitting in cribbing that, oh my god, this is not happening, that is not happening, you guys went ahead with something, and that's how these sudden events happened, and that there was prosperity. Like this card says, there was prosperity, there was sudden events, and there was charity. So a lot of things happened. You guys grabbed that opportunity by its neck, and you said that this definitely is for me. Even if I haven't worked in this line before, I think I can do it. Like they say, if you get an opportunity and you don't know how to do that job, say yes and then learn how to do it, right? I think it's one of that kind of a case for you, which is a very good thing. So if you're getting an opportunity, Sagittarius, in the first week of March, do grab it and make things happen, because I know you can and I know you will. Okay, so that was your first week. Let's get to your second week. There's a new fight and the Fool. Right? New fight is a dedicated, loyal person, which could be you or somebody else in your life. Let me clarify with Nostradamus. Yeah, I mean, it's all related. Like I said, that you grabbed some opportunity, you did not know how to do that work, and you made it happen, right? Now, the Fool here, the Nostradamus says is, that he says that we might see the Fool as a blank page, waiting for words to be written that will explain his history. Like you changed something in the first week, Sajis. You did something new, you did something different. Maybe you did the same things in such a different way that it gave a different perspective to people around you, and to you, and to the world, which is a very good thing. Like when a new vaccine came, it gave us hope, and we could never imagine that there was something which can actually help us deal with the situation. Or the first time when a medicine comes, or a first time when something is invented, we kind of can't even think of that, and it happens. So that kind of an impact uh, your work has done in the, or will do in the first week of March, right? And it also says there's extravagance, right? There is innocence, it's first time in thing, and there is unworldliness, like something out of this world, never happened before. Also unpredictable, unpredictability. Of course, when something has never happened, you cannot predict that it will happen. So there is curiosity. Of course, you're doing something new, so there is curiosity. And there is surrender to greater powers. You believed in your God and you said, oh, chuck it, I am going to go ahead with it, whatever it is. Let's just put my faith in myself and God, and let's just go with it. That is something that happened in the first week, and that is the same thing that your reading is telling in the second week as well. What about the neophyte? Let's see, let's clarify. Okay, for Sagis. Loyalty, devotion, like I said, there's work, there is learning, there is reflection, there's observation, and there is discretion. So you're definitely doing something new with a lot of discretion, because obviously you don't want the people around you to know your ideas, big ideas. But whatever you have, Sagis, in your mind that you want to go ahead with, I would like to suggest you that do not hesitate. Okay, it might change the world completely. And even if there are people in your life, even if they mean well, even if they know you, and they're telling you that I don't think that idea is really gonna work, that has never happened before, or I think you should drop it, and blah blah blah, do not listen to them. Even if they're nice people, they're friends and they mean well, of course, but they don't know what impact that could have on you or the world. And if the world can become a better place because of that, or if your life can get better, then what better than that, right? Sajis, I think whatever idea you have in your mind, whatever opportunity you have is coming to you, please grab it. Please, if you want to start a new venture, please do it. Okay, that's what your reading is telling me in both the weeks so far. Let's get to your third week. Okay, what better than that? I'll show you. It says initiate. Says initiate right here. And the Hermit. Wow, look at that. Did I not say that you have to go ahead with that plan? The reading is telling you out and loud from your first week onwards that you have to go ahead with whatever that plan and idea you have in your mind, or have to grab that opportunity. Initiate. It can be initiate the conversation in a personal life, right? It can be initiate the proposal in your to your client, to give that idea. It means initiate, that means start the venture that you're planning to. It could be anything from your personal to your business reading. If it's changing the world, if it's making it better, then why not, right? Let me clarify with Nostradamus. Hermit for Sagis. Okay, for Sagis. Yeah, a seeker after truth. Okay, time, honesty, prudent awareness, prophecy. At the same time, there should be caution. There is freedom of action. There is maturity. Wow. A deepening awareness of the goals of life. I think you're about to do something which is bigger than just a job. It's bigger than just anything that you have imagined, or anything others have imagined around you. It's something, I think it's going to bring a huge change to the society. Maybe in your job, you're about to come to a new idea or a conclusion, or the process, or a different way of doing things that can help or impact your clients in a way that they have never imagined, or your colleagues in a way that they have never imagined. Maybe you make your workplace a better place to work. with new laws, with new rules. I don't know what you're gonna do. I really look forward to that, Sagis. But it's a beautiful card. It's about seeker for truth. Whatever you're doing, you believe in it. You're doing it with all your devotion, very honestly. You're not like, you're not doing it in a clever form that, oh, I'm going to show somebody down, and then I'm going to, kind of pull people and then climb the ladder of success that some people do. No, you're not doing that. You are doing things to actually change the world, to make it a better place. Wow, I think it's a beautiful thing. I'll also go in detail for the initiate. However, I think the card is self-explanatory. So initiate for Sagis. Yeah, so an arrival, you have come to that decision that you are going to take that step forward. A lover, also it says a union, also it says a proposal, an invitation. Either you're accepting an invitation or you're making that proposal, any which way. If even if this is related to your personal life, whatever this is saying is that you have to go ahead with it. Even if you're thinking maybe it's a marriage proposal that your parents are bringing and you don't know the guy, and you are just confused whether what should you do. People are really confused about arranged marriages. I think you should go ahead with it, and that's what the reading is telling me from first week onwards, that whatever opportunity, whatever proposal, whatever invitation you are getting, maybe it will turn out to be good. Not maybe, of course it will turn out to be good. Even if it means an invitation for a party, do go and attend. You don't know who you meet there. You don't know what's gonna happen. If you're single, maybe you'll meet the love of your life. And if you are looking for a job or some kind of opportunity, some kind of help, some kind of healing, maybe you'll meet a doctor there, or maybe you'll meet somebody who knows somebody who can help you, heal you, or somebody happens to be somebody interested in your work. So it could be anything. Whatever opportunities you're getting, go ahead. Invitations you're getting, go ahead. It's a beautiful reading, Sagis. You're definitely gonna make a huge difference to the world and to your own world as well. If it's coming, if you're talking about your personal life, right? So your fourth week says master. Master is usually a dominant personality, somebody who's very strong, like a fatherly figure who wants to guide you, advise you, that kind of a person. And then there is Six of Sons. Oh, sorry. Right, I'm going to clarify this with Nostradamus. The Master and Six of Sons for Sagis. Master. For Sagis. Or this could be you. And I feel this is you. So the Master of Moons, I'll tell you, is a generous, talented, compassionate, and a brilliant, brilliant man. Larger than life and overwhelmingly filled with confidence, right? He may be an artist, a banker, a priest, or a doctor whom one trusts with one's life, right? So see how beautiful this is. Like I said, you're definitely gonna change the world, because this master, it says, is you. You are that person who's larger than life, and who's going to bring about a lot of beautiful and important and very much needed changes to this world. Beautiful. It also demonstrates honesty, integrity. Like I said, you're not being clever, you're not doing something for your selfish purpose, you're not trying to pull somebody down. No, you're trying to make this place a better place. So it also shows kindness and equality. A scientist, an artist, you could be anybody in any field, but this reading is still for you. You are still a strong personality, and that is what I gauged from the entire reading. None of the cards suggest to me otherwise. Okay, so good. Keep the work up, and I think it's a beautiful reading. I'll clarify the Six of Sons, Sagis. Keep it up, really keep it up, because I think you're about to do something big, and I just can't wait for it to happen. So definitely do comment at the end of this reading, and or once we come to March, do comment if what was that idea that changed your life and the people around you, and how beautiful it was. Just do comment, because this reading says that something big is going to happen and Sagis are going to do it. So yeah, Again, see, Six of Stars says there is triumph, there is success. You guys did it. Wow. Domestic and family life, like I said, even if it's related to your personal life, you did it. You know, maybe you got engaged or married, or you found the love of your life, right? There's housekeeping, there's a messenger, there's good news, there's progress. Like I said, you know what better than that? It's all about good news. It's all about big major changes happening and for the better, for the world around you. And you're not being selfish about that, you are just being very very loyal and with higher levels of honesty, integrity in you. And who doesn't want to be with you, Sagis? I think it's a beautiful reading. You're about to change the world, and I can't wait for it to happen. So I think I have really nothing to say except keep it up. Do let me know. But I really wish to know, because you know it's a beautiful reading. I haven't read a reading this beautiful in a very long time, and I'd really want to see what major change you brought in your life, at your workplace or at your home life. I just want to see. Okay, so do let me know, Sagis, and I will see you next month. Bye bye.